Hello, and welcome to KSS Program's Computer Science and Coding online lessons. Today, we'll be covering lesson number 4, functions. So what are functions? They're simply a programming tool that allows the programmer to simplify and organize the code when it becomes more complex. It is helpful to consider functions as individual mini programs that you can call out in any section of your code. Calling out a function is like selecting a tool from a toolbox. So why do we use them? Make your life easier? Make things simple? If you use functions, you can avoid repeating blocks on the same code. Just code it once and then use it many times. Modifying your code also becomes easier. With functions, you take away the complexity of the code. You can then edit it or modify it a lot easier. Now let's take a look at the example on the screen. We have been tasked with commanding a robot to walk around 3 different sets of 50 feet by 50 feet patches of grass. What's the most efficient approach to this problem? Let's consider using writing and calling out a function. And then let's compare it with code without calling out a function. Now, as you can see on the screen, we need to write a simple program to have our robot walk around 50 feet by 50 feet square patches of grass. And then we're going to add a function that we can call out in our main program. Now, what is our function going to do? It's going to create a walking routine. So your walking robot function is now ready to be taken out of the toolbox. Now let's take a look at the solution. Complete the code by calling out your walking function. Simple and clean. You can try these examples on online platforms like code.org. They also have an option for you to test your coding so you can see how it's running. Now let's finish our lesson going over our fun fact of the day. Let us know if any questions. See you next time.